tell you all about this great product, Claws by Keela. So I think I might have turned that upside down, y'all. There it is, Claws by Keela. So I have a code for y'all. Stay tuned. It will be in my description box below. You get 15% off for using this code. It's 2JDC. And the information will be in the box below. You just need to add her up or send her an email when you're ready to order. So I went ahead and got, I see my nails. I have nice nails, but you know, every now and then I want to spice it up. And I'm a kind of person that I will put nails on, and if I'm not on vacation,
Whoa.
Jaden just say, wow. Jaden's loving it. So I will put nails on, and I need to take them off like right away if I'm not on vacation, because I get in water, I'm doing stuff, I'm washing plate, I'm cleaning up, and they're getting in my way. I'm that kind of person. If I'm on vacation, I still can use nails while I'm on vacation. I still wash, do stuff, but I don't do as much as when I'm not on vacation. So if you're home, if you need to go out quickly and the nail salons aren't open on holidays or whatever, or a time like this when nowhere's open, just hit my girl up. And she's so amazing. She's such a nice person. Like, I remember when I met her first years ago, it was in high school, and I went to the high school. And Jaden's over here like obsessing over them. Like, look, show them, Jaden, show them. Yeah, some reggae nails, you know. Yeah, so anyways, I met her in high school. Like, she was one of the first person to come and speak to me, and you know, she's such a sweetheart. She has a golden heart, and her product is amazing too. Right now I'm about to put them on, and you guys are gonna see how my nails are popping. So basically what it is, it's reusable nails. So you can, instead of like buying those nails off the internet where one size fits all and it comes and it doesn't fit you, you get it customized to you. So you get your size. There's like a sizing kit online that she can give you that information, or she can send a sizing kit to you. There's a cost to it. I didn't pay for my sizing kit, so you guys will have to see how much it costs. It's not a lot. If you don't want to pay for a sizing kit, look for when she have like free sizing kits giveaway or whatever. I don't know how often she has it, but you can speak to her about it.
What is this?
So yes, Jaden, this is the kit that comes with like your temporary stick-on tabs back here, and like alcohol swabs, like cuticle sticks, and all of those stuff. I'm not a nail person, I don't know too much, but I think it's a cuticle stick, and like 2 kinds of glue. I'm gonna be using the stick-on pads because I want to take them off when I want to take them off without having to wait for the glue to come off or having to soak the nails off. And she also gave like a card. Jaden's over there messing with it. She also gave a card that has the information on it. She also have demonstration videos on her Instagram. So if you're still having trouble and the card is not proof enough for you to do it on your own, she has videos on her Instagram explaining how you can get it done, guys. So it's really amazing. I love the colors. Like, Jaden is like amazed by the Rasta colors. Well, today I'm gonna be putting on this one. You know, I love red with cheetahs. And if you have your special occasion, as I said, and you just want to put something on right away to go out, and it lasts long on your nails because it has glue, you can glue it on, and it lasts up to a week or more, depends on how you take care of it. And you can put the sticky tabs on that can last for like a day or so, a day or more. I'm going to be using the sticky tabs because I'm at home. I'm not going anywhere right now, but I just want my nails to be looking like wow. Like, you know, like Jaden's already saying wow, and I haven't put it on as yet. Like this one, this is one of my favorite. All the colors, girl. Go get your Claws by Keela on her Instagram. I don't know what y'all are waiting for.
Because Jaden's trying to, wow. You know, Jaden's trying to advertise too. Don't take my sticker off. Jaden's trying to steal the sticker. See little face. Okay, guys, let's put this nail on. I got fancy nails. Yes, girl, yes. Fancy nails from the comfort of my own home. Nails in minutes, and you can get it too. Just go check out Claws by Keela. I put those on myself, and it's with the sticky tack, and they're so fancy, so sexy. Jaden's just trying to throw stuff in here, like, ooh, oh my god, I just love this. It feels so secure on my nails, I won't even lie. Like, it feels so secure. Ooh. I'm so obsessed with these nails, honestly. I'm not lying to you guys. It feels so good. I feel like I just want to walk around and be like all dainty, like, yes, girl, yes. So what? Look at it. Take it all in. See, these are my sticky tack. I didn't use a glue, I used a sticky tack, and they so fancy. Let's show you the right hand too, so y'all can see I did not play. I came to win. Claws by Keela. Take the win. Take it. See? Top, still good. Still good. Still good. So good. Still so good. When can your nails be this sexy in quarantine? Let me know. I'll wait. I'm still waiting. Only when you order Claws by Keela. So in the description box, you will get 15% off if you use code 2JDC. Just go. Just go. Just go. Bye. Bye from Sexy Nails. Look at it close up. I did that. Look at it close up. Me and Claws by Keela did that. She did all the hard work. I just popped them on. Yeah, she did the hard work and I just popped them on. And Jaden, what did you do? What did you do? Why is there lotion on your eye top? How nice is my nails from 1 to 10? Jaden, look. How nice is my nails from 1 to 10?
1,000.
1,000, okay? You hear? It exceeds the numbers, guys. It does. I love it. I'm gonna wear these and see. It's supposed to last a day, she said. Well, I'm wearing this to bed because I ain't got nowhere to go. I'm just gonna walk around my house and be like flashing my nail at everyone and everything, even the dang hamster. They'll be like, "Hello, what happened to you? You got nice nails today? You can't stay still." Yes, 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 yes. My red nails, red and tiger print. Cheers. Make sure you hit her up, get your discount code, and have fancy nails too. I am not lying to you. I am not lying to you. I love these nails. I love them. And I think you will too. Like, to each his own, but I think you will. Because I love them. Jaden loved them. My best friend was just on the phone with me and she loved them. So I think you guys will love them too. Bye. It's only fair that I go like this. Bye. Let you see the nails. Bye. 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 Ooh. Focus. Come on. Focus.
There it is. I've been rocking my nails since yesterday. And I'm just gonna show you guys, like, I've been doing everything in them and they're still on firmly. So just up. I put on Jaden's shirt by accident. We have the same shirt. And I put it on by accident.